Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change DRL Honda Accord 2008 step by step. Start by locating the DRL assembly behind the bumper, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Remove 2 mounting screws and gently pull the assembly forward while watching for wiring clips. Unplug the bulb connector and replace the DRL bulb or assembly, then test lights before reassembling the bumper and reconnecting the battery. Locate the DRL housing from under the bumper by turning the steering wheel to one side for access and using a flashlight if needed. Use a Phillips screwdriver, 10 mm socket, and gloves to protect hands while turning fasteners. Keep the removed screws in a small container and photograph the assembly orientation so reinstallation is straightforward and error-free. Take care not to touch the new bulb glass surface or lifespan will reduce. After removing the assembly, inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or damage and clean contacts with electrical cleaner if needed. Insert the replacement DRL bulb or assembly, ensuring the connector snaps securely and the seal seats to prevent moisture. Test the DRL operation with the engine on and check alignment, then reinstall screws, trim, and reconnect the battery before a final road test. If a fuse blew, check the 10A DRL fuse and replace it per the owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.